Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so pairing finishes cleanly. Make sure both devices have at least 50% charge and sit close together. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must be on. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. You'll see a moving pattern or option to set up manually. Do this now because it establishes the secure link and exchanges basic data. Once the animation appears, point your iPhone camera at the watch screen to align it and continue to the next configuration steps. Once pairing is recognized, you'll choose whether to set up for yourself or for a family member. Pick the correct Apple ID to enable backups and iCloud features. Next, enable location, Siri, health data, and decide on Apple Pay. You can add cards later, but enabling services now speeds setup. If you have a backup, select Restore from Backup to bring settings and apps. Otherwise, setup is new to start fresh. While the watch syncs, keep devices near each other. This can take several minutes, depending on app data. You finish by customizing faces, complications, notification priorities, and app layout in the watch app so the device matches your routine. If you have an LTE model, add a cellular plan through your carrier settings in the watch app and verify service. Test notifications, calls, and workout tracking to confirm sensors and permissions work. If pairing fails at any point, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and try again. If still broken, unpair and reset the watch before repeating the pairing steps to clear stubborn states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.